Hi, myself Manadip and my teammate Nishwan. Every engineer knows the nightmare of technical depth, but existing AI tools are dangerous. They hallucinate, break builds, and delete global variables. I built CodeReaper, an autonomous software architect. Unlike standard coding assistants, it uses a research grade safety layer to refactor legacy code without breaking it. Today, I am putting it through Refactoring Gauntlet, three levels of difficulty assigned to trigger AI failure modes. Let's watch it in real time. Level 1 is a basic spaghetti code. The code inquisitor agent scans the AST for complexity, and the surgeon refactors it. This is the easy part. Any LLM can do this. Let's watch it on the screen. There you can see surgeon agent and the guard automatically semantic refactoring and guardian agent verifying semantic equivalency and executioner agent generating and running regression tests. Yeah, now let's see the you can see that the test failed and you can see the before and after code restored. And now let's go to the level 2. Level 2 is the trap. This code implicitly relies on global variable. A standard AI would delete it, breaking the app. But watch the scope guardian. It verifies the semantic equivalency and it forces the agent to preserve the global state safe. Now let's watch it how it works on the screen. As you can see there is a graph agent building a dependency tree. And you can see that there are guardian agent verifying semantic equivalency and scope safety check it's passed. You can see it on the screen. And an executioner agent is generating and running regression tests. As you can see there, it shows the code has failed and the before after code. Now let's go to the level 3. Level 3 is our novelty. This function is imported by main.py in our code base. If we change the signature, the system crashes. Look at the red box there. That is the graph shield. It detects the external dependency and locked the function signature before the AI could touch it. As you can see there, the test passed and logic is verified. You can see in the screen before and after refactored code. Now, finally, the executioner agent writes and runs regression tests to mathematically prove the new code works. The architecture. CodeReaper and the architecture. The CodeReaper uses a 5-agent pipeline powered by Google Gemini 1.5 Pro. It combines generative AI with deterministic compiler theory (ASTs) and dependency graphs to solve the graph blindness. This isn't just code generation; it's code architecture. Check out our repo and thank you for watching our video. Signing off Manadeep and my teammate Nishwan. Thank you for this opportunity.